Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, and we are just getting started with our day. We just actually came downstairs, and I'm going to give Dominic some breakfast. You want some breakfast? Yeah? What do you want? Waffle? But he was just in his new pool. Let me show you guys. We actually got him a new pool because the other one that we had, he didn't fit in it no more, so he needed a bigger pool. And it's actually really nice. I really like it. I will actually have it linked down in the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. I actually did get it from Amazon, and it's really cute. So let me just show you guys how it actually looks. So here he is in his new pool, my little baby. And I just think it's so cute how it has this little kind of like umbrella right here for some shade. And then it also has this little alligator on this side right here, which actually throws water from right here. So that's pretty nice. Huh, baby? You like it? You just need the water, huh, baby? So my husband just put air yesterday, and we haven't taken it outside because I actually have to sweep and get the backyard all nice and clean. And then I also actually got him those little slippers that he's actually wearing right now. They are so cute. They're like little monster shoes. Show them your monster shoes, baby. Show them. Oh, they're so cute, huh, babies? Go in your pool. Go in your pool. So the pool came with this also. And it actually goes over on this side. Let me just show you guys. So it goes like, I guess, right there. And then it also came with this bucket. So it came with this bucket right here, which, and with two fishes. So one of the fishes is right there. And I don't even know where the other one is at, but yeah, it's so cute. So I can't wait to actually put it in the backyard and see him playing in the water. But yeah, that's how it looks. And it has the little slide, which is so nice. I really like that it has the little slide there too. And then I also actually ordered a patio cover for my sectional because the other one that I had actually ripped. So this one looks like it's gonna be a really good one. So I will show you guys how it looks once I do actually cover my section. Is it good, Dominic? You're having your breakfast now, huh? Yeah? Is it good? Delicious. Delicious. But here are his little monster slippers. And the cool thing about these actually is that they have a little sticky part here, and this actually opens. So that's actually really nice. I really like that. So his foot, you know, slides in a little easier. It looks like they are a little big on him, but he will definitely grow into them. So yeah. I will also link those in the description box below if you guys are interested. And so the pool also has this little kind of like opening right here, which I think is for like cups and things like that. It has two of them. So it has one right here, and then it has one on that other side, which I think is really nice for them to, you know, put their bottles or cups in there while they play. And so that's just how it actually looks in there. So I really love this little swimming pool. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and open up this cover and see how it actually looks. So I will show you guys right when I am done, just in case you guys are interested in a patio cover. So let me go ahead and get that done. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on cleaning my patio and my sectional because actually it got dirty since when I actually put the rug and I kind of like decorated back here, I didn't have the cover yet, so it did get dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and clean everything, sweep and clean the sectional and everything, the table, and Then I'm gonna go ahead and bring out the cushions and stuff. That way it can look a little better out here. And let's go ahead and get started. So this is how it currently looks, guys. I did actually take off the cushions and the pillows just because, like I mentioned, I didn't have the cover when I did bring out the rug and kind of did the decorate with me video. But since I have the cover now, I can go ahead and just start decorating it now. That way, once we are not using it, I can actually cover it. But yeah, this is just how it currently looks. It's all dusty and dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and just start cleaning it right now. So I'm taking a little break from cleaning the patio, and I mean, I'm pretty much almost done. I already did like the sweeping and I cleaned the sectional and all of that. So I'm just gonna relax for a little bit. This little baby over here, he's just playing in his pool. Oh, my love. It's so hot outside, so just had to come in here for a little bit. Guys, so I just actually tried to put the patio cover on my sectional, and there's just a little problem, or it's a big problem. I don't think it actually is the right size. Oh gosh, here we go again. So I guess I'm gonna have to order another one and then send this one back because yeah, I don't think it fits, unless I'm doing it wrong, but I don't think it's gonna fit for my sectional. It's a pretty big sectional, so yeah. I mean, I can arrange the sectional differently to possibly, you know, fit the cover, but then I want it to be like in the sectional, like I just wanted my outdoor sofa to be like in the sectional type of setting. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to send this one back and then order another one, but I'm gonna have my husband measure because I honestly didn't even measure, which I should have done, but you know, we live and learn, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna put that away and probably just ship it back to them so I can go ahead and order a different one. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be going to the grocery store real quick because we do need certain things to make food. But yeah, I'm just gonna go real quick. So I did leave Dominic with my parents since I am just gonna go real quick and just come back and stuff. But I do actually need to go to Target too. Let me hold you guys. But I will go maybe later, or if not tomorrow morning, to Target. But I want to make probably pasta for dinner or something, but I do need pasta. I did run out of the pasta, so I need to get that. And yeah, just certain things. So yeah, I will see you guys right when I get back. Hey guys, so I've been home for a little while now, but once I got back from the grocery store, I just put everything away in the fridge and then our pantry. And then my son actually started getting constipated again, so I was just kind of like with him. But he actually did do a good poop right now, which I'm so happy he did. I gave him Miralax because that's what the doctor recommended us to give to him, because he said he should be going to the bathroom at least once a day. And so he told us to give him Miralax, you know, like twice a day, just for him to, you know, get a release and stuff. And yeah, after that I started on dinner, and I just actually fed my son. And yeah, now we're just here relaxing, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and just take him upstairs and take his bath early. That way he can take his nap, because it's already like almost 2:30, and usually by this time he is napping or he's starting to get tired. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. And yeah, that's what I've been doing right now. But I just finished dinner, and let me just show you guys. This is what I feel like I always make it, because my husband just loves this pasta. This is the spicy shrimp penne pasta, and I do actually have the recipe for this pasta, and I will leave the link in the description box below if you guys are interested. But yeah, this is how it came out and how it looks. So today, instead of making it with chicken, I actually made it with shrimp. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really good. And my baby's over here just making a mess with the pillows and everything, watching his cartoons. Huh, baby? No, Dominic, no te subas. Where's your pool? Where's your pool, baby? No te subas, bebe. Come here. Dominic. My poor baby. But yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna go ahead and take him upstairs and take his bath right now. Hopefully he takes his nap. And yeah, I will see you guys right now in a bit.